Hi and welcome to Steam Powered Family. Today we've got a very yummy and fun lesson making homemade butter in a jar. We're going to gather up our supplies. The most important things you're going to need here are a jar, cream, and lots of energy. So what we're going to do is we're going to fill our jar to about the halfway mark. If you want to err on the side of caution, go a little under the halfway mark. We want to have lots of room in our jar for when we're shaking it. If you want to salt your butter, add a little bit now. And then we're going to put on that lid nice and tight, and then we're going to start shaking. We're going to go for 6 minutes. A great way to do this in the classroom is to time it, and every 30 seconds, pass it off to the next student to keep shaking. After 6 minutes, you can take a look and you can see that it's starting to thicken. Now we're going to close it up again and start shaking again for another 3 minutes. So we're going to keep going here, shaking, shaking, shaking. There we go. You're going to see that we're starting to get some liquid separating from our butter. Keep shaking once that ball forms. We want to keep going until that ball is really bouncing around inside of the jar. Once you hit that point, we're ready. So now we're going to pull out a strainer and place it over a bowl. And we're going to pour everything out so we separate the buttermilk, which is the liquid, from our butter. Now we want to save that buttermilk because we can use that for other baking projects like making bread. So there, we're just going to pour that back in the jar, and then we've got our butter here. We're going to rinse the butter with a little bit of water. And once we've done that, our butter is ready to go. Now you can use it on some delicious homemade bread and have a great, tasty science lesson. For this and more activity ideas, visit steampoweredfamily.com.